amount to a whole lot. If you are going to be out and about during this lunchtime hour, temperatures in the 60s, a light jacket, pretty much all you're going to need. But later on this evening, those temperatures begin to slide. Maybe checking out a movie or walking on 14th Street or Georgetown, wherever you may be going. We're looking at added cloud cover. Now for tonight, it is going to get cold out there, 28 to 38 degrees. That is your temperature spread under mostly cloudy skies. It will be a chilly start to your day tomorrow. And also, some of you may be looking at a little bit of a wintry mix. Hour by hour for tomorrow, we're going to call for mostly cloudy skies, chance for a little bit of sleet mixing in with some rain and some snow as we head through the first part of the day. But then we should see a good amount of clearing during the afternoon hours, the temperatures that will make it into the 40s. Here's our future cast, and I do want to start it for you where we are right now. It is dry out there, obviously. As we move into the evening hours, we do stay mainly dry, but then come later on tonight into early tomorrow morning, we have a system that's going to move just to the south of the D.C. metro area, where you see the area shaded in blue, may see a slushy accumulation on grassy areas. It does include the district in Arlington and Alexandria, but for as quickly as it arrives, that's how fast it is out of here. By noontime tomorrow, our skies begin to clear. Garrett, Allegheny, Washington counties, and western Maryland, a lot of sunshine. Later tomorrow afternoon, 5 o'clock, we're going to be dealing with a nice sunset around the DMV as that colder air overspreads the region. How much snow are we talking about? Less than an inch, if even that. Once again, south of the D.C. metro area, so we're talking about Nanjemoy over toward Fredericksburg and Culpeper, but once again, mainly on grassy areas, and we're not going to see a whole lot other than just a nuisance in terms of the weather. Here's our forecast, and oops, this needs to have a little bit of adjusting here. We're looking at temperatures in the 40s tomorrow. We stay in the 40s next week, and then even the 30s before we finally begin to warm things up just a little bit. But once again, tomorrow driving, don't expect to see a big problem. However, wet roadways around here do slow things down, but thankfully the timing is working to our advantage. It's a weekend morning, it's early on. Tomorrow night, looking good.
All right, Steve, thank you. Well, coming up on ABC 7 News at noon, picking the mind of a killer. Up next, we revisit the crimes committed by notorious serial killer Ted Bundy 30 years after his execution.
Featuring all new designs for 2019, Bassett Modern pairs deep dimensional oak with shimmering metal accents and brings bold style to everyday living. And with fresh new designs now on sale, you'll find something for every room in your home. Save 25 to 30% store-wide, plus special financing. Ends Monday at Bassett.
Don't miss the President's Day sale at Furniture Max in Fairfax and Falls Church.
You might take something for your heart or joints, but do you take something for your brain? With an ingredient originally discovered in jellyfish, Prevagen has been shown in clinical trials to improve short-term memory. Prevagen, healthier brain, better life.
Dollar soft drinks are making a big splash at McDonald's. Get any size, any flavor for just $1. So keep that joy flowing with the $1, $2, $3 menu. Woo!
Stronger is rebuilding a newborn's heart and restoring a father's faith. It's standing tall after one surgery, not 6. Stronger is being a typical kid, despite a rare disorder. Stronger is finding it earlier and coming home sooner. Stronger is seeking answers and not giving up until you find them. Because we don't just want your kids to grow up. We want them to grow up stronger.
Love is in the air.
All right, break it up here.
Because it's Sweethearts Week on Wheel. Tonight at 7 on ABC 7.
Find styles from every corner of the world for every room of your home at Greenfront. Feel the rich texture of hand-woven rugs, the soft give of a sofa handcrafted in Virginia, and smell the sharp scent of a leather ottoman. Whether it's rugs from India, porcelain from the Orient, or furniture made right here in the United States, Greenfront brings a world-size selection into one incredible location. Go global and explore Greenfront in Manassas today.
Happening tonight, 2020, with a new insight in the horrifying killing spree of Ted Bundy, now 30 years after his execution. Bundy admitted to murdering at least 30 women, many of them he kidnapped and sexually assaulted. Despite his confession, though, authorities do believe there may have been many more victims. ABC's Deborah Roberts joins us now live with a preview of what we'll see tonight. Deborah, always great to have you. I want to start by asking you, why are Americans and people in general so fascinated with Ted Bundy?
Well, that's a very good question, and we wondered the same thing. But when you think about it, sadly, he had all those elements of fascination. He was charming. He was good looking. Remember, he even represented himself as his own lawyer in his trial. This was a guy who not only tricked a lot of women and led them to their death, but was able to charm his jailers, charm basically courthouse workers and authorities. Nobody thought this was the kind of guy who was the picture and the face of horrible crime, and let alone a serial killer. So I think because this guy was